Hello everyone, this is Katie Toole from Renwick USD 267, and this is my I Have a Dream speech. I have a dream that one day my district will graduate all students college and career ready. I believe students will graduate from us reading and writing above grade level and ready to enter a career or a post-secondary training program while contributing to society in a positive way. I have a dream that one day our students will use virtual reality experiences to connect themselves in a meaningful way to curriculum. The use of virtual reality can allow our students to travel to places they may never get to experience. It immerses them in the actual field, and it has been shown to increase retention of information. I have a dream that one day our students will have personalized learning paths in the education system, allowing students to choose their time and place to pursue their own interests, all while proving they have met the curriculum outcomes and standards. With our ever-changing world, our students need to be able to make informed choices and have control over their learning. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day our students will experience project-based learning within our high schools. I believe we need to use the technology-rich environments that we currently have and change our teaching practices to focus more on collaboration, communication, and problem-solving skills instead of lecture environments. This is my hope and faith. With this faith, our district will be able to provide students with the skills needed to be college and career ready. This will be the day when the students of Renwick USD 267 are productive citizens in our future world.